Hello. In this video, we will be showing you how to navigate and search the Institute of Hospitality library on the Institute of Hospitality resource. Once you have completed your registration and have logged into the Institute of Hospitality, you should find yourself on a page like this. From the list of options in the main menu, click on Knowledge, and from the list of options in the drop-down menu, select IOH Library. On the IOH Library page, scroll down until you come across the Enter the IOH Library button and click on that. You should now find yourself on the following screen where a search engine appears in the middle of the screen. To see how many ebooks are accessible for students at the Northwest Regional College, we'll simply click on the search button to be taken to the following page. You'll notice in the results section that it states search results 1 to 20 of 562. This means that there are currently 562 ebooks accessible for NWRC students. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the refined results section, where you can use the following options to help narrow down the results for your search. Subject provides you a list of key subjects from leadership to tourism and highlighting in brackets the number of ebooks that are linked to that subject. Publisher allows you to arrange your results by the ebook's publication, which includes the likes of Routledge to Wiley. Category provides you a list of categories as well as putting in brackets the number of ebooks that are linked to that category. So for the following example, if we just select tourism in the subject section, you will notice that the results on screen will change automatically. To read an ebook, for example, Innovation in Hospitality and Tourism, you'll be taken to the following page where you are given the publication details, name of author, as well as a brief description about that ebook. If you scroll down further, you'll find the concurrent user level. This will let you know how many copies of this ebook is available to read at one time. So for example, this ebook only has one copy available, meaning only one student at a time can access it. If you scroll back up and notice on the left side of the screen, you have two methods in which you can read this ebook, either by PDF full text or EPUB full text.